Hey, thanks for watching. So I wanted to put this video together to kind of teach you how to Canva. And the reason I'm doing that is we put these templates together, and where I find Canva amazing is how once you've created a piece of collateral, a marketing piece, you can share it multiple ways. And in this part of my website, you can see we've got a PDF version. You have a live link version, so you can check this out. Just click on these links. You can create a website out of the collateral. You can embed the code right into your website, like I've done here. So you've got PDF, or you can print it. Go the traditional way and print it, or have it printed for you. So I'm going to show you how to do this. We're going to click on one of these links, this one right here, and go to Canva. So it's launching it. We're going to go in. So I'm in here, and let's assume that we've completed the collateral. Just waiting for the computer to catch up. So when you're over here, you can see the yellow button right over here, and we're going to hit share. Now, when we hit download, we can do it as a PNG, which is fine, or you can do a standard PDF, which is good for emailing, or PDF for printing. So those are different ways you can do it. Now, this is where it gets interesting. We hit the more button over here. We can create a website. It will actually create a website for you. The embed code is if you have a website that allows you to embed code, then it's a section within your website that's live. And you have the public link that's live, or you can create a presentation. So you can do it any of these ways. Additionally, you can create a social media version of this, and it will give you a QR code. You use your phone on it. Then it opens the app and allows you to upload to Instagram, Facebook from your cell phone. So I'm going to go back to here, how to Canva. So this is a PDF version I screenshotted. Here's the live link. I'm going to click on it. Here's a view of it. So, and you can click through it, just a live presentation. It's going to go through it. Then you've got, let's go back to here, the live website. I'm going to click on that. It's going to open. This is basically a scrollable website. It does all this work for you. Now, I believe it makes it the reason it's smaller on your desktop because they kind of made it mobile friendly. And down here is the embedded code. So this I embedded in my website. So it's basically a slideshow on my website that they can scroll through. So that's the way you Canva with these templates. If you have any questions, give me a call. If you want to do a strategy session, give me a call. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.